Good day! Our lesson for today is about rounding off numbers. Rounding off is the process of making a number simpler but keeping its value close to what it was. Numbers are rounded off to make computations easier. In rounding off numbers, there are steps and rules that must be remembered to perform it correctly. Number 1. You must first identify the place value of the digit that you are rounding. Next, look at the number to the right and consider these two general rules. Number 1. If the digit to the right is 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, or less than 5, round down. That means that we will not change the rounding digit. And the last rule is, if the digit to the right is 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, or equal to 5, and greater than 5, your rounding digit rounds up by one number. Last, after rounding, all digits to the right of the rounded number become zeros. Isn't it easy? Now, let's try some examples. Let's start with rounding off numbers to the nearest tens. So let's say we have 36,245 and we need to round it off to the nearest tens. So first, identify the place value of the digit you are rounding. So 4 is in tens place value and the number right next to 4 is 5. So 5 will be the basis of our rounding off. Remember the conditions? So because 5 is equal to 5, then we will round up. So in rounding up, we will just add 1 to the number under the place value we're rounding off. So 36,245, if it will be rounded off to the nearest tens, it will become 36,250. Let's try another one. So here we have 36,245 again. And we'll round it off to the nearest hundreds. So what digit is under hundreds place value? Number 2. So the digit to the right of the rounded number is 4. 4 will be the basis of our rounding off. So because 4 is less than 5, that means that we will round down. And in rounding down, we will not change the rounding digit. Then we will change all digits to the right of the rounded number to zeros. That means that 36,245 rounded to nearest hundreds will become 36,200. Next, rounding off numbers to the nearest thousands. So let's use again the same number. We have 36,245 and we will round it off to the nearest thousands. So let's take a look what digit falls under thousands place value. So the digit under thousands place value is 6 and the number right next to 6 is 2. 2 will be the basis of our rounding off. Then, because 2 is less than 5, then we will round down. Or, we will not change the rounding digit. Then, 36,245 rounded to nearest thousands will then become 36,000. Now let's just follow the steps and rules and apply it in rounding to other nearest place values. Now it's your time to practice. Have fun! Thank you and God bless.